So you ever think to yourself, hey, how can I use my frugalness to improve my photography? I have, obviously. Yeah, that's how I ended up with this beast of a camera. In a world ruled by digital cameras, why on earth would I buy a medium format film camera? Stick with me to find out, or skip to the end to see if I completely botched it. My dive into film photography started thanks to a few, let's call them, external factors. Grainy days, grain check, and bad flashes, if we want to name them. Check out their YouTube channels, great. Terrible influences though, a danger to my finances, but I digress. Here's the thing, my cheapness isn't a flaw, but a learning strategy. When every frame costs you money, you start thinking about every shot like your wallet's at stake. Film photography is the most effective anti-spray and pray system ever invented. Armed with budget and delusions, I went camera hunting. Hasselblad, too rich for my blood. Mamiya, same story as they've gotten quite popular now. Enter the Bronica 645 ETRC. Picked it up for a very good price. The underrated cousin, ignored but affordable. Please refer back to my earlier statement about being cheap. This thing feels solid. I've owned a Mamiya 645 Super before, and honestly, the Bronica holds its own. Mine came with the AE finder, but I prefer the waist level finder it came with, as it's more of a fun experience. It slows me down, forces me to think, and it just looks cooler. 2 rolls in, and before I ever saw the results, I knew the experiment worked. I'm slower, more deliberate, even when shooting digital. Whether the photos are actually better, I'll let you decide that one. But as an investment in myself, definitely not the worst money I've ever spent. Of course, like every simple experiment, it didn't stop there. I sold the ETRC and bought the ETRSI because now I can swap film backs mid-roll without being stuck on black and white or color. And since restraint clearly isn't my strength, I also grabbed a Fuji GW680 Mark III and a Leica M4P, because if we're not saving money for more cameras, why are we saving money? More on those soon. Please send help. So yeah, my cheapness led me to film. Film helped me slow down, and slowing down made me better. Let me know if you have tried film and whether or not it changed your shooting style for better or worse. Thanks for sticking around, you fine folk. Till next time, take care and keep shooting with purpose. I'll see you on the next one, beautiful people. Bye.